In the beginning, there was a light. The light shined everywhere. The darkness did not overcome it. Wish you a very happy Navaratri and Dashera. Dear children, there are many virtues like honesty, sincerity, truthfulness, kindness, gentleness, obedience, and sacrifice. Though today's festivity teaches us everything, yet we highlight the virtues of obedience and sacrifice. Here we gladly present a short program on Dashera.
Oh my god, Neenu, hi! How are
Hi,
you?
Shelly, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're looking so pretty today.
Yes,
Is there anything special?
yes, we are going to celebrate Dashera festival and I'm going to Dashera fair and there I'm going to play dandiya and many more things to enjoy.
Wow, after listening to you, I want to know more about this festival Dashera. Do you know why you celebrate this festival?
Yes, sure, my dear. Dashera is celebrated with lot of enthusiasm and in many different ways, but the essence remains the same to mark the victory of good over evil. Actually, the purpose of celebrating is to commemorate the killing of Ravana by Lord Rama. It is also a celebration of female divinity to mark the killing of demon Mahishasur by goddess Durga.
Wow, very clear information. As per the information shared by you, it seems like Lord Ram was such a nice person in himself. What all qualities did he possess?
Actually, he pursued many good qualities like honesty, simplicity, spirituality, sincerity, obedience, and sacrifice. So Shelly, let us see how some of these qualities can be showcased in present scenario.
Okay, let us see.
Pride goes before a great fall. Ravan was the king of Lanka. He was an extremely intelligent man. It is said that Ravan had 10 heads. That simply means that he was one man with the power and intelligence of 10 brains. He ruled his kingdom very well. So to say, people were elated with his rule. He was a scholar who had read books like the Veda and the Upanishads. He played the veena very well. Well, if he was an intelligent and powerful, what turned such an intelligent man into the evil monster that we burn every year at Dashera? Do you know what? The great disaster of Ravan is his pride, his ego, and arrogance. He felt that he was the most powerful man in this world and others were powerless. So he just wanted to grab and snatch what was not his. It was the reason that he kidnapped Sita and took her to Lanka. What followed was a great war between Lord Rama and Ravan that ultimately led to the defeat of Ravana. Now, let us see how man, the human being, brings his own destruction. In the beginning, there was nothing. God created everything that we see in the world. God created the man, the finest being.
I have created everything in the world, but there is something missing. Yes, I will create a human being who will look like me.
I'm created by God. I should be obedient to God.
I have created a man. Now I will make him to be one with the nature. Now I will give him the power of reasoning.
Oh well, now I'm able to think. I'll create my own world. But how will I create? I'll cut all the trees and turn them into factories. I'll kill all the animals for my business purpose.
I had a lot of expectations, but he's moving towards the destruction. His pride goes before its great fall.
I have everything. If I need something, I'll take from the universe. I'll cut all the trees and I'll kill all the animals. I'm equal to God. I'll recreate my own world. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
As man goes with his technology and pride against God by cutting the trees and killing the animals, the virus from the animal world enters the human world. As consequences, we have the COVID-19.
Wow, Rahul, how nicely you have drawn this picture. Very good.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Show me yours. It is also so good. Excellent, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Rahul. Rahul, as we both are good in drawing and art, so we should go for further studies in this field.
Okay. For that, what we have to do, Bhaiya?
Let's go and ask father.
Okay, let's go, Bhaiya.
Hello, Papa.
What happened, my dear sons?
Papa, we have made this drawing. See, how is it?
Wow, it's wonderful.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Father, we want to go for higher studies in art.
You, my dear sons, as you know, our financial condition is not good. I can't afford. So, I can send any one of you. Now, you both decide who wants to go for higher studies.
Rahul, you go for further studies. I will stay with father and work hard for that.
No, Bhaiya, no. You are the elder one. You should go and pursue your higher studies.
No, Rahul, I will be happy to see you pursuing your dream. I will stay here with father and work hard, and I will take care all of your expenditure. So you don't worry and go for it.
Okay, Bhaiya, okay.
Okay, very good. I am very proud of you both.
Thank you, Papa. Okay, Rahul. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Take care, beta.
ओके पापा, बाय बाय भैया, बाय बाय। What happened, Papa? Are you okay?
Nice.
Okay, come. You take rest. Come. You sit here, Papa. I am bringing water for you. Take rest. Take.
Thank you, my dear son.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Dear friends, this is the great day for us as we are gathered here to announce the great artist of this academic year. I am highly privileged to invite Father Sabriraj, the manager of the School of Arts, to give away the award to our today's star. So, I want to call upon the stage the great artist, Mr. Rahul.
Congratulations. All the best.
I request Mr. Rahul to share his experience.
Thank you. It is hard to put my feelings into words. Nevertheless, I am very glad to deliver my speech on such an important and momentous occasion in my life. It is a huge honor for me to receive this award, but I would like to give this award to my elder brother who helped me throughout my journey. Only because of him, I am standing here, such a great people. I would like to call upon my elder brother along with my father. Bhaiya, now it's your turn to pursue your higher studies.
No, Rahul, I can't. You look at my hand. I'm not able to hold the paintbrush because of the constant pain in my hands.
Bhaiya, you have done lots of things for me. Thank you, Bhaiya.
It's okay, my brother. It was my duty towards you.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Before a great fall, just like Ravana, so we must be humble and simple in our life.
Love without sacrifice is incomplete. So let's love one another and be ready to sacrifice ourselves for others.
How will that be a celebration without a dance?
Obviously, dance enriches the joy of celebrations to manifold.
So here we state you a breathtaking Dandiya dance.
सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खन गाई तूने आधी ही बात में सनन सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खन गाई तूने आधी ही बात में
गरबे की रात पे धड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे संग
घिर के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ। घिर के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ।
नैनों की डोरी से हाय खींचो क्यों चोरी से हाय, नैनों की डोरी से खींचो क्यों चोरी से, ऐसे मुझे तड़पाए। हाँ गरबे की रात पिया धड़के मेरा जिया, कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ में।
ढोलीरा ढोल वागे 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 रे, ढोलीरा ढोल वागे 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 रे, भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे, भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे। ढोलीरा 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 ढोली 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 वागे, ढोलीरा ढोलीरा वागे ढोलीरा।
Wish you all a very happy Dashera.